In this session, we will discuss this series. Simply observe the series. The series is the first term is 1. 1 repeated 1 time. 2 repeated 2 times. 4 repeated 4 times. 8 repeated 8 times. And at the same time, this is a 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. That is, the logic is very simple. Whenever we print a number, increase its base. That is, 1 is printed one time. After printing one time, we are increment the value, that is multiply with 2. Now repeat the loop for 2 times. After repeating the loop for 2 times, multiply that term with 2, that becomes 4. Now repeat the loop for 4 times. The logic is very simple. We will implement that logic by using command line arguments. Hash include stdio.h void main of through command line. So two arguments, argc, count the number of commands we are passing, char star argv of, char star argv of. This char star argv of is a vector which points to the commands we are passing. Is a vector which points to the commands we are passing. Now I am declaring a variable n. I am reading n without using command line arguments. Sorry, without using scanf statement. Argv of 1. Why argv of 1 means argv of 0 stores the name of the file, and from argv of 1 we are passing the values. But argv of 1 is of type character, n is of type integer. So convert our character into integer. We are using a predefined function a to y. The function a to y is used to convert the character into integer. Now implement the logic. Suppose I am declaring one more variable I. Sorry for repeating the loop. The logic is very simple. While initially I less than n. For example, if you want to find nth term in the series, our aim is to find nth term. Initially, what is the value of I? Assume I value is equal to 0. Assume I value is equal to 0. If you want to find the first term, 0 less than n. So what is the first term? First term is 1. So I am using one more variable, some x is equal to 1. Some x is equal to 1. So the first term is simply x. So I am repeatedly performing addition. I is equal to I plus x, that is 0 plus 1. So the value of I is 1. In the next iteration, 1 less than 1, condition fail. Whenever your condition fail, comes out of the loop and print the statement. But remember the point, here 1 is printed one time, no problem. Suppose 2 is printed 2 number of times. 2 is printed 2 number of times. That's the reason I am each and every time updating my x value. Initially x is equal to 1. If the loop is repeated one time, next time x value becomes 2. Loop is repeated 2 times on x value as 2. So this is the concept. So are you getting the point? For example, if you want to find the fourth term, first 0 less than 4. What is the value of I? I is equal to 0 plus 1. I value is equal to 1. X is equal to x into 2. So x value is equal to 2. I value is equal to 1. Suppose here I am writing I value is 1. X value is 2. In the next iteration, 1 less than 4. For example, if you want to check fourth number, 1 less than 4, condition is true. I is equal to 1 plus, what is the previous value? 2. 1 plus 2, the value is 3. Now what is x value? X is equal to previous x value is 2. 2 into 2, 4. Next, 3 less than 4, condition is true. I is equal to 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 means value 7. X is equal to previous value is 4. 4 into 2, the value is 8. Now 7 less than 4, condition fail. Condition fail. So comes out of the loop and print. What is to be printed? Whatever the value we are getting in x, that is half. Suppose at fourth position 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth position we have value 4. Implement the same for everything. Percentage d comma x by 2. Percentage d comma x by 2. This is the value to be printed. For example 8. Execute. The eighth term in the series is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth term is 8. Suppose 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Observe the 16th term. What is the 16th term? 16th term is 16. 16. Observe the first term. The first term is 1. So now this is the answer. Each and every time repeat the loop and perform multiplication, and finally the result is half of that particular number. This is the series. Thank you.